like better? This or this? Ooh, sexy.
Oh yeah, so you use some of this penetrate lubricant to get the shit out here. The best is if you just put it on and you let it sit there. Like you basically arrive on the job, you put it on, you go to the truck, get all your tools and get set up, and then you wait, and that's the best usually to do it. Yeah, I just wanted to share some tips on getting these kind of rings off. This is a blower wheel that got totally messed up and I couldn't get these ones off. Unfortunately, I didn't quote the motor. Usually it's probably just easier to replace the motor. To use the penetrant oil, let it soak, but that didn't even help, so you can use some heat, use your acetylene, whatever, MAP gas. Heat up the ring because that will actually expand the ring. Try to not heat up the shaft because you don't want to heat up this one. So you're expanding the ring, which will break some of the corrosion inside, and then spray this like here and like so. That will cool the shaft down and will also act as a rust penetrant, so it will dissolve the rust. And then you can use 2 of these, one and 2. Just make sure you don't hit the set screw, and then you can counterweight them so against each other, which will help break this one loose. Or you can just use your puller, which you also have somewhere. I have to find it, but yeah, just use your bearing puller. That works too, and just pull it off. But yeah, always also clean the shaft with some of this or some sand cloth. So yeah, I mean that's just a little tip here. Yep, and when you're done, this should look like this, and then the shaft is clean. I used everything and all the tools in the arsenal. This stuff, my wrenches, this. I even moved the set screw from one of them to the other so I could counter leverage and break it loose, and then I broke it loose with this even more. That was yeah, next time just quote the motor as well. Oh yeah, let's connect it up and see how it went.